Understanding the phrase, "Amp is cooking," an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a unique phrase in the English language, "Amp is cooking." This phrase might sound a bit unusual, but it's a great example of English idioms and expressions. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Amp is cooking is a colloquial expression, not found in standard dictionaries. It's a metaphorical phrase that implies something is intensifying or gaining momentum. The word, amp, is short for amplifier, a device that increases the power of a signal. When an amp is cooking, it's working hard and at high capacity, much like when someone is energetically cooking in a kitchen. This phrase is often used in informal contexts. To understand "amp is cooking" better, let's look at some examples. Music. When the guitarist turned up his amp, it was cooking. The energy in the room was amazing. Sports. In the second half of the game, our team's amp was cooking. We were unstoppable. Work. During the product launch, our marketing team's amp was cooking. We worked around the clock. These examples show the phrase being used to describe situations where there's a surge of energy or activity. Now, how can you use "amp is cooking" in your everyday English? Remember, it's best used in casual settings. You can use it to describe any scenario where there's a noticeable increase in intensity or activity. For example, at the party last night, the DJ's amp was cooking, and everyone was dancing. That's all for our exploration of "amp is cooking." Remember, idioms like this one make English a fun and dynamic language. Don't be afraid to use them in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in understanding this interesting phrase. Happy learning!